My routine today says I'm supposed to cook matooke, which is actually our staple food in Uganda, especially in the central and western region. So without any further ado, I'm going to be peeling this wonderful matooke.
In the stillness of the night, under the moonlight so bright, our hearts are joined in harmony, a love so pure and
Ta-da-la. Do you know life is for living? You have to trust God every day. He will make your life worth living. You will enjoy every phase, every life, every stage of your life. You will enjoy. Woo! The singer in me is saying I should go and be a farmer, not a singer. I think that's what this singer in me is saying. He's saying, Lynette, we have had enough. Just go and be a good farmer. Singing is not for you. And I'm saying, you have to live your life. You have to live your life. Yeah. You live your life. I am in the routine, you guys. This is going to be dinner. Or supper, actually. Why am I even saying dinner? We don't have dinner here. We call it supper. And I'm lost in the routine, and I'm like, yo, I have to live my life. I have to enjoy, even in this normal, common. I have a confession. Honestly, like right now, you know what I'm craving? I'm craving like a pizza, like a chicken pizza, or fries and chicken. But you know what? Isn't life worth living? I mean, though I am craving for that, think about it for a moment. There is a person that is looking for even a bunch, even like a cluster of this banana, and can't get it. Right now, as I do this, there are people that are going to actually like sleep hungry. They won't have what to eat. So I am grateful that though I am craving for pizza or chicken and fries, but I get to eat this, which is actually more healthy. So I won't forget to live. I will definitely live, you guys. I have to live my life. I can't be gloomy. I can't. That is not my story. So for those who are watching, actually this is like our staple food. This is our staple food in my region, in Uganda, in central and western region. Matooke, which are green bananas, is our staple food, and it's mostly grown in almost every homestead. So basically this is what it looks like. When you look at it closely, it doesn't look like these sweet yellow bananas. Ultimately, choosing to live is not being selfish. Choosing to live is being healthy, is enjoying every phase in your life. You know, is enjoying every phase in your life, even when it means peeling this matooke. And I all have sap around my hands. Do you know when we were in high school, there is that moment when they would take us to peel matooke for us, and then some girls would pretend they don't want to peel. They would pretend they don't know how to peel because they didn't want to have sap. So apparently peeling this matooke will give me sap. So it's like they even make like your hand dirty, kinda, but if you look closely, you see this is all sap, you guys. So, but should I lose my piece? If you look at this knife, you see it has sap from here. This is all sap. If you look here, this is all sap. So it's not like an enjoyable something, but you know what? I'm done. How do I show you that I'm done? So ultimately we are done peeling our matooke. It's right here. There is water. I have to wash it. These are peels. Don't mind about this sack, kind of. It looks like this because, you guys, as I told you, these green bananas have sap. So as you can see, such sap, if they go in clothes, they never get out. So you expect this to be kinda dirty. But anyways, so our cooking pots or saucepans, we call them saucepans, as you can see inside it's very clean, but here it's very dark, you guys. You know why? It's because, as you can see, we use firewood, and then firewood has smoke. So when you continually keep when you continue cooking, the pots end up having that dark whatever. Yeah, I call it smoke. I think that's enough. So it's time to show our Ugandan skills. So honestly, if you come from an average household like mine, an average income earning household like mine, you gotta know how to do this, because you won't have house helps who helps you cook at home. So from childhood we are taught to do this. Part of routine. I am in the countryside, not forgetting. So these ones I got from banana fibers. They are literally like handle from banana fibers. And what I'm doing right now, you might wonder, I am making a base. Because yeah, so you know that this is how we cook in my region, you know. This is the most presentable way of cooking matooke, which we call green bananas. So whatever I was doing, this is how everything turned out. And yeah, let me now add banana leaves. Next on agenda is these leaves, you guys. So apparently most of the foods that we cook, but these ones are not. Let me get another one. Most of the foods that we cook, you guys, we use banana leaves to cover, to put a base. Right here I'm washing this matooke like this. Now I'm putting it right here. I'm still washing, as you can see. Yeah, bringing it all here. And then washing a little bit more. So everything is right here. Let me show you. So yeah, this is what I'm doing. As you can see, this matooke is in the middle of it's in the saucepan, but we use banana leaves. So what I'm going to cook, nitugweta, we call it omubumba. I'm going to smash all these bananas when they are ready, and then it will be omubumba. Now we do like this. We do the covering. So if you must know, I honestly still struggle with covering so well, you know. I still struggle, and like serious struggle. Then I'll get more banana leaves and I will put here, and do what else, you guys? But you can see what I'm doing, right? I know you can. I'm figuring it out. But I've been doing this from the edge. I think I started doing this from way back, even before I was 10 years old. I had learned how to do this. Maybe it wasn't coming out perfect, but when you have a girl child, you better teach her when it is still early, lest she doesn't learn. So, still in the routine, not forgetting to live our life. When things get tough, oh my God, I get a mingling stick to help me on covering the food, because at times when you're trying to squeeze in these leaves in the saucepan, my fingers usually hurt, you know. Perhaps because I do this, but it's not like something that I do every day. And then I opted for a cooking stick to always help me do the finishing, you know. Yeah, to always do the finishing. Yeah, finished product that hasn't cooked. Do not forget to live your life. Our fire is made. Yeah. From down here, then I'm going to be putting my saucepan right here, and I'm living my life. Do not forget to live your life. Remember, even in the routine, do not forget to live your life. Life is going to be full of uncertainties, but in the end of it all, or at the end of it all, you must choose to live. Do not forget to live, because it's very important not to be lost in the routine. Sometimes we get so lost in the routine, in the norm, that we forget to live the life. And keep dreaming big, keep working hard, keep doing what you must do, when you must do it, how you must do it. Just do what you must do, but amidst all that, live. Don't be hard on yourself. Don't be hard on everyone that you meet along the way. Just live the life, the right life in God, and every burden, every heavy load will be lifted off your shoulder when you choose to live the life as you ought to.